Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. This Omni Power UV Plus vacuum from RAYCOP is top notch. I have been so impressed by its power and capabilities that I am just absolutely blown away, and I wish I could get one for everyone in my family. It's so nice because it has multiple ways that it can be used. I have it here as a handheld vacuum, but it can also be used as a stick vacuum. This set comes with everything you need. It comes with the main body that holds all the power and all the suction. It also comes with an extender pipe, so you can use this as a handheld or as a stick vacuum. The two brush heads are the dual motor brush head and also the UV sanitizing head. It also comes with two other attachments, the crevice tool and the combination tool, as well as a wall mount holder if you want to mount it. I recently used the UV sanitizing head on my comforter. It can also be used on the mattress. What I love is as I move across it slowly, I can see the UV light lighting up, so I know that it's getting sanitized, but also the suction is there cleaning up all the allergens and dust that accumulate on our comforters or mattresses. It's really convenient for me personally that the dual motor brush can be used on multiple surfaces. I can easily move from carpet to my vinyl flooring in just a flip of a button. The Omni Power does have 3 different operating modes, so you can change it based upon what you need. It has standard mode, power mode, and turbo mode, so you know that anything you have to tackle, it can clean up. I can't say enough good things about this Omni Power UV Plus vacuum from RAYCOP. If you need to clean up some messes and also could really use that UV sanitizing head, you have to go with this vacuum. It's really the only option. But that's just my point of view.